Keni Dion from Visual Communication Design, batch 2017 in President University. So, as a millennial generation, financial has become something that we struggle so much. Our lack of self-control and money management has become the source of our financial problems. So, how do we prevent this? Investment could be answered to this question. Investment itself, in definition, is the action or process investing money for profit and materializations. But does young people know about investment? So, let's ask some students.
Nggak tahu. Penanaman aset atau dana untuk masa depan yang lebih baik.
Kayak penanaman modal untuk masa depan.
Investasi itu kayak semacam penanaman modal gitu.
Menurut saya investasi itu penanaman modal untuk bisnis, biasanya kayak gitu. Penting sih.
Penting banget.
Oh penting, itu paling istilahnya kalau misalnya orang sudah selesai kerja, apalagi yang udah istilahnya ya di atas umur untuk pensiunan, itu investasi itu membantu banget. Belum. Kalau udah mulai belajar tapi belum berani investasi yang beneran. Jujur saya nggak ngerti, jadi saya nggak tahu apa-apa.
Saya belum ngerti apa itu investasi.
Masih dengan kesibukan sendiri aja belum mikir buat masa depan.
Mereka nggak berinvestasi karena pertama masih belum paham sama investasinya, atau mereka emang nggak ada keinginan untuk berinvestasi. Tapi nanti saya entah kenapa mikirnya seiring bertambah usia pasti nanti interestnya buat naik, pasti ke investasi.
It can be a bit confusing to understand, but don't let it intimidate you to give up. In a simple term, when you invest, you are becoming an owner of a company. When you buy a share of stock, you are owning a tiny little piece of that company. If the company does well, you are typically rewarded with the price of the stock going up. And if it does badly, the price can go down. So, why is it important to invest? And why would you invest instead just having your money in the bank? One of the answers is inflation. As the years went by, the price of necessities is increasing. If we just save our money in the bank, our money value will also be decreasing over time. That's why to prevent it, investing is a good solution for this. Because our money that we invest will also grow as the time went by. That is why the more early you invest, the more profit that you will get in the future. Many people are afraid of investing because they don't know where to start. But actually, nowadays, there are a lot of places to learn about investing and many services that offer invest with a little amount of money. In the end, all that you need to start investing is a courage and your will to learn more about investment.
So, now you know about investment, and what are you waiting for?